My name is Lotta Lassesson. I'm the general manager for Cafe Smorgas. This restaurant has been here for 13 years and we've always been proud of giving back to the community. So this is why we said yes to a community fridge, to have it here and store it here and hopefully inspire other restaurants outlet to do the same. Buy their own fridge and have people come, buy one meal, donate one meal. I think that's a great opportunity. So hopefully this is not only for this period of time, I think this should be going on as long as people need food, fresh food. So what I think is a good thing with this SOS community fridge is that it's simple. Everybody can do it. You have fresh produce, you order it online. If you have extra, buy one extra and put it in the fridge. In Sanur community, we're all about giving back. So this is at Cafe Smorgas, Jalan Tamlingan 56 on the main street. So give it a go.